Well, today's adventure is a little bit adventurous, because through the dirty windshield we got a gravity wagon and the header cart, and we're coming over here to get my uncle's beans. Yes, we gotta take the beans off because they're right next to his corn, so we can ear pick his corn. Wasn't too out of a road adventure. Just gotta have faith that the header cart was back there. Oh, not bad timing. Dad must have taken a faster way, or I am not much faster than he is. Not sure which. I think because he came in from a different direction. I guess we'll do this right here. We can move out of the way once we get the head hooked up and stuff. It's time to dump. Sorry guys, you missed out. Sorry guys, you missed out putting on the drive shaft. Gotta come underneath and get this little block here. Oh, okay, I guess I can get the clip in before it falls out one-handed. It's hard to do that one top down. I already got one hydraulic hose. Yay, that was easy. How about that for a view? Leave it up. It's going to come in underneath, you guys. Push it in. Stay clean for 30 seconds. That's done. This side's easy. The other side has the wiring on it, but no hydraulic connections. How's this side coming along? Oh, can't go in. Once you move a little bit, that pin will fall. What? What do you need? You need to shake and wiggle, set it down.
Dust just hanging there, no breeze to blow it away.
Yeah, dust is really hanging now. Top of the screen, we can kind of see the sun setting. We got a few lights on to help see the head through the dust. Hopefully. And we're cruising just short of 3 miles an hour. Reel has decided to go close to warp speed on its own. I think it's slowed down a little bit since we started into this field, but it's keeping up. It's not going quite as fast because it was really throwing stuff before. Dust hangs, it looks like fog. a fun little speed exercise. Only 3.5 acres of beans. Churning them out quick. And well, we just can't see a whole lot with these lights, but we're dumping. And because it's probably going to rain a whole bunch tomorrow, I might go try one more field after dark, which is usually not what I want to do. Don't like starting at dark, but it's so dry. We'll give it a whirl. Oh, lovely. Combine lights. So we went to another field after we finished at my uncle's. And we're going to get this done, and then we'll probably call it a night. Probably, maybe we'll be done before midnight. But the beans, there's no dew. It's cloudy. We're about to get hurricane left remnant rain late overnight and all day tomorrow to totally ruin our lovely dry fall. So Dad's giving it the juice here. We'll catch a few seconds of footage in the darkness. At least we can see the front real well. I guess that's all we need to see is the view from the cab. That's all the driver needs to see. There's one light out the back. I don't know what other problems. You'd probably hear more problems than see problems in a combine. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those lights. Not going quite as fast. Don't have the hydrostat wide open. And this field from corn last year is suffering from not necessarily the greatest finish to the soil. So there's a little bit of rough and unevenness. So that's not fantastic, but that was just a spring rush to get it done. Being planted at the end of June, they look really good. This field, well, it's just like where I planted corn. In fact, we're not far from where I planted that corn late in June with all those gray and orange colorations to the soil. This dirt will thrive in a drought year. I just don't get enough of those. And it's so tight and flat. Well, tile will be a challenge. Well, I'm gonna go run some beans home. That's another dark lit up adventure that doesn't show up on camera well. So we'll catch you guys with some other fun farming action. Well, it doesn't look as good on camera as it does in real life, but we're making a dump of beans here in the last field of beans. It's about, it's been a solid week or more because I did some ear picking in between, but I guess we'll just tack this on the end of the soybean video. That it's the Monday before Thanksgiving, and the beans will be finished up now. And we're not making any ruts. It's delightful. And I don't know what I'll do with myself. That, soybean harvest so far has gone well. And we just got half of this field left, so we're 5 acres or so away from being done. Then on to all the corn fun. We'll at least get some action to doing these things in the dark. It's cruising. The reel decided to go warp speed tonight. Well, here we go for the last little bit of beans. Just dumped. And we'll go across the headland again to give me more room, and we gotta catch up to Dad. There we go, rotors are up to speed. And if I'm really crazy, I don't know if the ground speed feels as fast for you as it does for me, but they're feeding so well and it's so dry. And this is 3.5 miles an hour. And we're absolutely off to the races. Of course, running across the way I planted, the head's going crazy up and down, and so am I bouncing. Okay, and as we look, you can't see Dad, but there he is in the wagons, up right ahead there. Maybe he's waiting for me to get turned around. before he pulls up onto the headland here. Okay, I think we missed him. Looking at the back. Oh, look at that lovely dust. Whew, there we go, clearing. Now there's a marker post right there. So there's nothing in front of us, because I was kind of guessing where it was. I tried to go around the house before it got dark, because, you know, we didn't get a super early start. Dad ran beans up to the elevator this morning while I took care of feeding, plus there's the egg washing this morning, and with a little bit of quick combine prep. There wasn't a whole lot of harvest done before it got dark, but these beans need the moisture anyways. Dad says the beans he took in, they tested 8.9 or something at the elevator. That's lower than when I tested them in the field. Usually my moisture meter, for some reason, always reads high. Or well, actually it reads low. It doesn't read high, it reads low. Especially when the beans are a little wetter, it definitely reads low. So this is an uneventful, not full pass, thanks to that one I took there to the left, marking out those marker posts out here. There's kind of a property